Hello and welcome. As you know, June 21st is International Yoga Day, and once again, as last year, we are planning to do a full relaxing yoga flow on June 21st. But this year, we are thinking of taking an extra step than last year. This year, we have exactly 1 month to go now. Today is May 22nd, so we have exactly 1 month to go. So what we are planning to do is throughout this month we'll teach you 8 yoga asanas which we will be using to do the final yoga flow. So how we are planning to do it is today I'll be showing you the warm up and the cool down, which is Shavasana, how to do it, and then from then on we'll be releasing 2 asanas every week. Okay, I'll be teaching you those asanas, how to do it, and if you don't know how to do it, how to learn it, practice and so on. 2 asanas per week, and as you go ahead you have to add those asanas to your building yoga flow. So today I'll teach you how to do the warm up and Shavasana. So from tomorrow onwards you start practicing the warm up and the Shavasana till I upload the video of the first asana, which will be on Wednesday. So when I do that, you will start doing the warm up, the first asana, and then Shavasana. When I release the second asana, you will do the warm up, first asana, second asana, and then Shavasana, and so on and so forth. So we'll be doing this through 4 weeks, which would be 8 different asanas, and that would be a full yoga flow. We have planned it out thoroughly, and I'll be there with you every step of the way. Our whole team will be there with you every step of the way. And on exactly June 21st, I will be doing the entire yoga flow with you. The warm up, the 2 round Surya Namaskar, all the 8 asanas, and even the Shavasana. So we'll be there with you the whole time. Take up this. This is not even a challenge. This is an investment in your own health. Take it up. And even though I will not be doing the whole thing in front of the camera, I will be doing it, and if you want I'll even record that and release it in a video afterwards. But just to keep, just to save your time and keep the video short, I'll only be uploading a video of me doing the asana and teaching it, not the whole thing. But on the last day I will be doing the whole thing just as it is supposed to be done. So start today, start the asanas. And this is not really cardio type, so you don't even need to take a break. It is a break in itself. Just start doing it and you'll start enjoying it by the time we reach June 21st, which is the very essence of International Yoga Day. So we'll see you on Wednesday, and before that, just after this, I'll be teaching you the warm up. So I'll see you there. Okay, let's begin with warm up for the wrists. First, wrist rotations, 5 outside and 5 inside. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now up and down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Side to side 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Alright, shoulder rotations. Ready? 5 backward and 5 forward. Let's start with backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now neck rotation. Start at the bottom. Inhale halfway to the top and then exhale back to the bottom, and then reverse the order. We'll do this 6 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. And exhale down. 1. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and and 6. Okay, now keep your legs hip width apart. Keep your hands by your sides. Now slowly, as you first inhale and as you exhale, tilt to one side. Okay, either the right or the left, like this. Feel the opposite side of your body stretch. Keep looking forward. Breathe. Now inhale back up and exhale down towards the other side. Back up and the other side. Other side. 2 more times. Exhale down. Look forward. One last time. And back up. Alright. Now, let's do some knee rotations. Okay, 5 clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's finish with some ankle rotations. Ready? First 5 clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now after this, do 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar to finish up the warm up. Okay, now there is a whole detailed video on Surya Namaskar which I'll link in the description. Other than that, we also have released a shorts of Surya Namaskar, just the basic poses and what breathing you should be doing. You can check that out. It's less than 1 minute and you can get a quick run through of the Surya Namaskar. So 2 rounds after this. This will get you ready for the yoga asanas ahead. Now after you have finished the yoga asanas or just this warm up, do Shavasana for 2 minutes. And that's it. So you start with the warm up, 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar, and then any asanas we tell you. Remember, as the days go ahead, you have to add the asanas to each other. So the first asana, and then when we release the second one, you still have to do the first one and then the second one, and then the Shavasana. So by the time we finish, we'll have done about 8 asanas, and the last day will be a complete yoga flow. So we'll see you the next time on Wednesday.